Hey, are you curious as to what it's like to wake up early in the morning without thinking that you need to finish everything in an hour so that you can leave early for a 9 to 5 job? When there is no boss around to tell you what to do, what to finish, and then pressure you the entire day for the work you cannot leave because you need to make ends meet? I want to share with you this fantastic website, which is more than just an online platform because it can help you increase your online income and make as much as $600 in a single day. You won't believe that it is free and available to all experienced people looking for work from home. And if I were you, take advantage of the opportunity by watching the entire video. Welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to get $230 instantly in an hour. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So the first thing I want you to do is look at and go to the Kindle book section of the website Amazon.com, where you can see various ebooks being sold by various people. As you can see, prices vary depending on the design from $4.99 to $15. Additionally, as you scroll down, you'll see more ebooks with a variety of themes and designs that are for sale. So what is this? Many people are succeeding financially by employing that technique. As you can see, this one costs $14.99, and more than 1,800 people have left reviews, indicating that it has more than 1,800 purchasers. Try calculating with whatever calculator you have. Then multiply $14.99 by 1,800 to get an idea of how much money you can earn. Do you have the estimates? The good news is that you can even post a Kindle ebook and make even more than $25,000 from it. Neither experience nor money are required. It is completely free, and all you have to do is copy and paste while using the Done For You template I'm about to show you. If you visit Amazon.com first, I encourage you to open a new tab and go to visma.co. If you're wondering what this is all about, it's a website that enables you to create stunning, lovely, and even expert ebooks that you can use as Kindle ebooks. Simply follow these 3 simple steps, and you can sell what you've made and make a great deal of money without any prior experience. 1. There are many options available, but you must select a Done For You template. 2. After selecting, you have the freedom to make the changes to the template according to your preferences in terms of size, color, fonts, and text. 3. It is now available for download and is totally free. After downloading it, you can publish it on Amazon and start making money. Now I'll walk you through the entire thing so you can follow it if you have a laptop with you. So go to the home page, then click the Create button. Scroll down and click on the document icon. At this point, you can start creating magnificent documents like ebooks for no cost at all. Now click the blue button to access the sign-up page where you can create a free account from anywhere in the world. This will be your starting point as you produce more ebooks and earn more money. Simply enter your name, email address, and password before clicking the blue button to proceed. As soon as you click the register button, a page asking, "What do you want to use Visma for?" Then select Personal. Then after entering your login information, you will see your dashboard and be able to start creating documents. You can use sample reports, proposal resumes, cover letters, and much more in addition to creating documents. Now, I want you to look for the ebook templates and other templates. As you can see, there are a ton of options available, so just click one and everything will be completed for you automatically. Just a friendly reminder that these templates are completely free and do not require payment. Do you need additional income and work from home? Comment down below and let us know. Now that you're familiar with the procedure, here's additional advice I have for you. So first of all, the Kindle offers a variety of ebook categories, including those related to the arts, photography, business, money, education, cooking, children's books, and more. However, my recommendation is to focus on the health, fitness, and diet categories, because I am confident that they will yield the highest profits for you. This is because these categories are in high demand and have the lowest level of competition, making you more likely to find success. Now that you have a category, you need to look for the templates that are closely related to and appropriate for the category of health and fitness. So look for something that can draw customers and is professionally beautiful. Once you've selected a template, you can actually open it up and look inside to see the cover image, the table of contents, and all the pages that are included in that particular template. The most typical and fundamental things you can see inside a health wellness template include things like losing weight, the types of fruits and vegetables you should eat, healthy habits, and exercise. So once you've made your decision, click the blue button to be taken to a page where you can edit and make any changes you want. The cover photo is already available, as you can see, and it's very clean and organized. You can experiment with everything, from changing the text and colors to doing whatever you want. After making all of the adjustments, you can edit the name to reflect your own title, making your name the new owner of the edited book. Once you're satisfied, simply click the blue button on the new page after being redirected from the previous one by clicking download. So depending on what is more convenient for you, you can do this via phone or computer. The next bonus suggestion I'd like to share with you is all about the website freeplrdownload.com, where you can find a ton of ebooks that you can easily copy, paste, and download for free. There are many various sorts to pick from, and templates have already been created. Just make sure to keep the focus on health. So if you click the health link, hundreds of different ebooks will be available for download. Just select an ebook, which will take you to a page where you can scroll down and find a blue download button. Click that button to start a free download of the selected ebook without having to register or create an account. You can select from a variety of topics or categories, including those related to relationships, self-help, and many others. After downloading, you can sell them on Amazon and start earning thousands of dollars from the comfort of your own home without making any investment. So to sum up, you need to make your ebooks from a site like Visma or Free PLR Download. After that, go to Amazon's KDP website to start publishing your own ebooks and earning money online. The entire process, won't take more than an hour, and in just 24 hours, your Kindle store will be ready and accessible to everyone worldwide. If you don't yet have an Amazon account, you can create one then log in. If you're completely new to Amazon, don't worry. You can scroll down and click on New to KDP, which will direct you to create a free KDP account from anywhere in the world. After doing so, you can start publishing your ebooks by simply uploading them to Amazon, where they will be made available to everyone. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to create ebooks and earn? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!